one at a time. And we're here.
And I want to start.
Alright, well, I'm Renee. Hi, guys.
I'm Kinsey.
I'm Asia.
Leah. This is my first time here with Asia.
So what are you guys waiting?
I'm sorry?
What are you wearing?
We are actually themed out for the Action Girls, and we're here for the muscle cars.
So you're going to the Playboy Mansion tonight,
Yes.
and are you going to do some bad stuff, or are you going to behave and be nice girls?
We are the naked pool girls tonight.
Wow. Are we invited?
Your video camera is.
We're not invited? So what made you girls decide to be the naked pool girls?
We get paid to go to the mansion and do stuff like that. We've been painted models and lingerie models and all that fun stuff.
And their costume's cheap. It's just their birthday suit.
So are you guys on Twitter, Facebook, MySpace, anyone?
Yeah, we're Playboy Live models.
So I'm Renee Whitney on Facebook and Twitter.
And I'm Kinsey K on Facebook, and my Twitter is LoveKinseyK.
And you?
Mine is a little confusing and long. It's actually Asia, AJA, and then just Google that. It'll pop up.
Wow, I like your style. Look at that. How did you pull that off? Hello. Who designed that for you?
I did, actually. Everything is pretty much...
What about the hairstyle? Who did that for you?
My mom gave it to me when I was born.
Hey, Mom.
I scared her when I popped out.
It's natural.
What about you? Are you on Twitter, Facebook,
Facebook,
MySpace?
Leah Lynn, LeaHlin.